launching exclusively on Kickstarter. The 1973 watch is available in 5 unique colours, limited to only 100 serial numbered items. For 1 month, each product is available at only £350 instead of the usual £500, with other rewards available. Uncompromising, it features 200-metre water resistance, automatic and hand-winding movement, super luminova, screw-down crown, sapphire lens front and back, and not forgetting 2 interchangeable NATO straps, a design first introduced in 1973. Telling then that it has barely changed in nearly 50 years. Unlike the NATO strap, the world has changed, but we've changed with it. We are living in the unknown, but with uncertainty comes opportunity. The opportunity to introduce ourselves to new friends that we would otherwise never have met, and discover what it means to be human again. We're just getting started. We are WT Author.